Good morning, guys. So I'm going to try to do a what I eat in a day video like once a week. So we'll see how it goes. But today I'm going to be making a smoothie. I'm going to try the strawberry little packet today. I'm only going to use half of it though. I tried the vanilla one. I really liked it. So I'm just going to be making a strawberry and banana smoothie. Trying really hard not to overfill it this time. I'm like the worst. I will put too much in and then it like won't blend. So I'm just using some whole milk. And I'll probably blend it up first and then put my protein powder in it. Wow, I actually got it to blend. Like that's the first because I usually always put too much fruit in there. But because this is no sugar added, I'm adding 3 packets of stevia. I added half of that, and I'm probably going to add a little bit more milk, and then I'm going to blend this up one more time. All right, guys, so here it is. All blended up, ready to go. This little blender is awesome. I seriously should have got one of these a long time ago. But anyways, I'm going to give this a try, and I'll see you guys back at lunch. I'm making a quesadilla for lunch because that was good this morning, and it sounds amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So all you need is some shredded cheese, some salsa, and these are my favorite burritos. And some butter going in your pan. Is once the butter melts, I know you can use oil, but I like the butter, okay? Don't judge me. I just put that in my pan. I keep it on medium. I just take a good old handful of cheese. And I just put this happiness all over. Yeah, I think that's a good amount of cheese. Let it chill for just a second. And then I'm gonna flip the top. It's so hard to do with one hand, you guys. And I still haven't had my coffee today. I need some help. I need to pick me up. I'm just gonna use my finger. Forget it. I just flip it over and fold it. And until this side is like melty, then I'll flip it onto that side, let it get melty and crispy. And that's all I do. When it's nice and crispy like that, you know it's done. So there's my lunch, and of course I have my pineapple coconut water, but hey, this counts, right? I got my carbs, I got my protein and my cheese, I got my veggies and my salsa. I think it's okay. So anywho, this is my lunch, so I'll see you guys back soon. Finally, it's 1 o'clock and I'm just now having my first coffee of the day. So I just made my coffee. I think that's a 12-ounce setting. 2 packets stevia, 2 pumps caramel syrup. And now I'm going to show you what I add to it sometimes. I just want something a little bit different. I just use some heavy whipping cream. That's it. So I just take a little bit of this. And then I add it. I think it's going to be like everything I got because this is pretty empty. So I just use a little bit of that and that's all I do. So that's my coffee for right now. Apparently I really needed coffee. It's only been like 2 minutes and I've downed it. Then I noticed that I went to go switch the laundry. Yeah, I never even started it. I thought I did though. Gosh, what a day. So I had a little bit of time and I decided to get dinner ready and prepped so I could just stick it in the oven when it's time. And we're trying out this jalapeno popper chicken. We'll see how it goes. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I will put the recipe down below. It's just, I filleted some chicken breast and cream cheese, sliced deveined jalapenos, cheese, and bacon. So, and then for both sides, I think I'm gonna make baked potato and green beans. But I'm probably not gonna have a very healthy snack because I have a hankering for some hot Cheetos. So this is what I'm gonna be munching on for a little bit. You guys, you're probably just shaking your head, but I'm just enjoying life and being me. So, all right, guys, so here's dinner. I know I said green beans, and then I checked to see if we had any canned green beans. We were out, so corn had to work. And then I realized, I'm like, dang, like, I'm like putting cheese on everything today, so I'm not gonna put it on the potatoes, just butter and sour cream. So I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.